What's up you guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another vlog. I'm Dinesh and this is Cranks and Pistons. So today we are out for a mod on the SLK. I got some rims and got some new wheels for the car, and I tried to do the change myself, and I seem to have ruined the brakes on the car. So I'm getting the brake wear pop-up. So I brought it to ChinaWell and they're looking into it. But I did drive in here and look at what Welcome does. Woo! So this Gallardo, guys, being a customer car, we don't have too much access to it, but we do get to do a walk around the car. So this car is a LP560-4. It's a 5.2 liter V10 spitting out 552 brake horsepower, and it is in the sick classic yellow, the Gallardo yellow. What a beautiful looking car. I haven't been able to take my eyes off the wheels though. There's some sick forged wheels with all the rivets around the wheel well. It looks mad. And the carbon fiber side skirt. The car is a bit messy. Car's getting cleaned up and is gonna go for a sale soon, so they're getting it prepared. But it's a sick looking car. Just the view from all directions, beautiful. So the interior is a pretty old school spec. It's got the black seats with the yellow outline on the highlights. No gear knob, only paddle shift. And with the amazing beautiful buttons on the console. Just makes it a classic Lambo. What a beautiful Lamborghini. And the engine. Beautiful Italian engineering. So one day you guys, one day we're gonna make a play for one of these. It's been a dream car of mine for a long time. Any Lambo, doesn't have to be just the Gallardo or the Murcielago. Any one. Even if it is the older ones, I'm more looking forward to the older ones. My favorite was the Lambo Miura and the Aventador Miura edition. It looks so good. Gotta make a play for one of those, but at the moment I cannot afford it, so it all is up to you guys. With your support, I'm sure I'll be able to get it. So do hit the subscribe button you guys, and hit the like button on the video so we can make more content. So on to our business of the SLK. What wheels did we replace the stock AMG wheels with? I went for the Carlsson wheels. It's a black wheel with a red outline. Although I'm not so interested with the red outline, we're gonna get it painted over. But the wheels look amazing on the car. They are sitting a little bit flush, but when it is parked, it looks amazing. So I probably gotta make a play for a air suspension put into the car so that we can adjust as we go on crappy roads. But for the moment, it looks amazing, and we're gonna reveal it very soon, you guys. So just like the Gallardo, there are a few more cars here that are really special, and I feel that are really cool, and I want to share with you guys. So let's go check them out. Check these out, guys. Classic old school Beamer, God knows what Maserati. Woo! Left to rot on the road. But these are pretty cool looking cars. Love the way they look. This seems to be one of those old 3 Series soft tops. and I have no idea what the Mars is, which one is. We're gonna have to Google that and find out. I leave it up here on the screen. But wow, sweet. Compton is more of a place where most people in Hong Kong come to get their cars fixed. It's not only cars, even for trucks, any logistics company, they come here. Name it, any car you want in Hong Kong, you can find it here, either in the garages or in the scrapyard. All you have to do is just look around correctly and try to locate it. So guys, we're done. Are you guys ready for the wheels reveal? They look sick. So wait for it. There you go. So let me know down in the comments, you guys, how the wheels look on the car. I feel like they make the car look way better than before. It's not stock anymore. Now we got our first few mods on the car. Now we need to make a play for the GT wing. I'm not sure how the GT wing is gonna look, but there are other official SLK type wings available online. I'm having a look through on which will be the best suitable for the car. So the mistake I did with the old wheels is I put the bolts, the lug nuts from the previous Mercedes wheels. So I believe they were a bit too long, so they hit the handbrake junction and that broke that clip. So we had to get that replaced. And another braking harness wiring, it tore because of the way I mounted the wheel. So noobs should not be doing wheel changes, and if you are, have someone who is experienced in it to do your wheel changes, at least for modification wheels. Not for the stock wheels, at least for modification wheels, have someone help you out. And the front, the camber was a bit less, so we had to put a spacer inside to mount the wheels on. So now it is okay. Now it is looking good. And I'm satisfied. So that's it for the vlog, you guys. Thank you for joining us for the wheels review. Let me know down in the comments how you guys like the wheels. It's gonna start raining, so I'm gonna be tuning out now. So until the next time, peace.